Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice chat on Mecha BREAK. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and access this homepage. And then from here, use your mouse pointer icon or the controller icon pointer and select menu at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, select settings. And then within the settings, simply select audio. And then under audio, ensure that you select voice chat. Select voice chat. And then within the voice chat, you should see the option voice chat. And as you can see, mine is disabled. So if you'd like to enable it, all you have to do is tap on any of the arrow next to the option, and that will enable voice chat. Now, once you're done, you can simply exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.